Good morning, guys. We're actually going to the zoo today, so yeah, let's go to the zoo. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a clip that I filmed yesterday of what is going in our zoo bag, so I'll go ahead and insert that now. All right, so we're actually going to the zoo tomorrow, so let me quickly show you guys what is going to be inside our bag. Okay, so in the bottom here, I'm actually going to have 2 frozen water bottles right down there. And then I am going to have sandwiches for my husband and myself, throwing it right in there. A juice for my munchkin. Then I'm also throwing her sandwich and her apple and pears and snacks in here. Basically, that's all for her. A little bit more complicated for her. So that is literally the entire bottom portion, and I could even throw in something else if I needed to. I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. And now I'm opening this guy up. So in here, I am actually going to throw in some SPF for my daughter and for me and my husband. I am going to put in the changing pad just in case we do end up needing it. I'm going to put in her wet bag back there as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw in so this is actually my first aid kit. Again, we're going to the zoo, so you never know. They're going to be running around. So I'm going to throw that in here as well. I'm going to put it this way. This is actually a backup change of clothes. You would never know. And then the other big thing that's obviously going to go in there is the Petunia Pickle Bottom wristlet. So I have 3 diapers in here. 3 diapers. 4 diapers in here. A disposable changing mat and a diaper rash ointment in there. I am throwing in my charger, and that's actually going right in the back. That's just in case we actually end up needing it. I'm going to zipper it up a little bit so more can fit down here. All right, so I'm also throwing in some fishy snacks for her. Right in there. I still have plenty of room to throw in a lot more stuff. She's actually going to wear it, and then I have a backup hat because she likes taking it off and throwing it. So both of those are in there. And then the last thing is a sweater just in case the weather decides to change. Everything fits in there perfectly. Honestly, you can throw in so much more in there if I wanted to. Right here in the front, I have a chapstick already in there, but throwing in some wipes for her and for us, some hand sanitizer, some sheet soaps, this guy in case we end up putting her in the stroller and she wants to throw her water overboard, and my wallet. I'm also taking our water bottle, which me and my husband share, and my daughter's water bottle. And then I'm taking a hook with me in case I want to hook the water bottles to the stroller, and my keys. And we are ready to go to the zoo. I just remembered that the last time we came to the zoo was when we decided to go to Florida. Let's not plan any vacations this trip to the zoo. All right, guys, so we're actually, oh my god, back from the zoo. It was a nice little, you know, get together zoo trip. My daughter has not napped, but my friends are coming over and we're having a little cookout. So what? She's not gonna nap. I am forewarning them though. Gonna go through the bag. That around 8 o'clock, if she a little bit on the fussier side, I'm bringing her inside, taking her a shower, and taking her to bed. So they already know. They have 2 babies themselves, so they completely understand. I'm just gonna empty out the zoo stuff, refill what I need to refill. She did use the bathroom, so I'm gonna refill everything and then leave it there. I just need to make sure I don't have food or anything in there, and then get the stuff going for the cookout. It's so nice outside. It's not even late. The zoo closes at 5. I don't know if all zoos close at 5, but both of the ones here in Chicago actually close at 5. What am I looking for? I already forgot what I was looking for. I just noticed that I've been forgetting to vlog because I mean, it's my best friend and her 2 kids and obviously her husband, but don't really want to show the kids, so we are here just having fun. Alright guys, we had a very fun day. My munchkin had so much fun. She's freshly bathed and is having you milk me, babycita. And we're going to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.